MagBak clear case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's a simple minimalistic case that works really well, that shows off your phone and provides protection for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Plus, gives it really strong magnet for wireless charging and to stick onto other things. So this is a case that is for the simple minimalistic purist that just wants a case that protects the phone but provides good strong magnets. It does include the screen protector, and we can install the screen protector too. And this is the case right here. So what's nice about this case is that it has a very strong magnet, and it has this slider button right here that's actually a digital button that translates from your phone's slider here, but it has a digital electrical contact. So it's still protecting your actual button but gives you the full functionality. And you have protections on your buttons here and here and here all around. You have extra air pockets at the corner. You can see the extra thick air pockets. It's actually really nice because that thick air pocket provides extra protection for when it drops. Usually you drop, the impact is at the corner. And then you have the cutout for your USB charging port and the speakers right there. And other than that, it's a very simple case. Also, the way it's designed, it won't wobble when you put it on the table like this. So we'll put the phone on, but before we put it on the phone, let me install the screen protector. So you have the screen protector accessory here. Here's a cleaning pad for it. And then this is a screen protector. So what you want to do is you want to put your phone on here, place phone here, and it's going to go on just like this. And then we'll be able to slide this over. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull this, and it's going to install the screen protector for us. But before we do that, I just want to double check that it's clean. So there is some prep here that you can do. The first one is your wet wipe. Clean it like that. So that is the wet wipe. It's probably better to turn off your phone, but it's okay. I'm charging my vehicle. I have some time left. I want to keep an eye on it. We have the screen protector accessories here. So this is the drying stuff to keep it nice and dry. So here is some stickers and then the drying cloth right here. So after the wet, you want to dry it just like that. And then if there's any dust that you see on it, you can use the sticker to pluck them off right here. So with the sticker, you kind of just look for any dust and boom, like that. So I don't see any dust, so I think we're good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply the screen protector, which is very easy. You close this over and you just make sure that you have this sticking out. So unfold here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to close this down, and then you're just going to pull this. So when you pull this, it's going to install the screen protector for you. See? Just like that. And voila, screen protector is now installed on our iPhone 17 Pro Max. Open it up and you have a screen protector installed perfectly. We might have some small air bubbles, and that's easy. You're just gonna squeeze it out like this and it should go away. And if there's any other air bubbles, it will go away within about 24 hours. So don't worry about those air bubbles. They will all go away by themselves. There we go. And that looks really good already. Perfect. So I'm not going to spend too much time on the screen protector because the focus here is the awesome case. So screen protector is now installed, looking pretty good. Take out the phone. Screen protector is now installed. Let's install the case. So the case slides on. Let's see the best way to put on the case. Looks like from the top here. There we go. And let's see if we can push on the case on the side. There we go. And just like that, the case is installed. I can see there's a nice raised edge at the top of the case all around, which is great. It will protect it from damages like that. And it has a nice kind of a solid noise to it because the material is actually shock absorbent too. And I do love that it's clear, so you can see the nice orange of my phone. If you have the blue phone or the silver phone, same thing, you can see the color really well. And the way that this is designed, it's not going to rock when you put it down. See, it doesn't wobble when it's on a table. So you can touch your phone and it won't wobble. That's nice. And also, it has a raised edge at the camera. So obviously, it will protect your camera as well. And of course, this one has the wireless charging. So it's got the strong magnet. So if you have a wireless charger, you can put it on And you can see it's doing the wireless charging just like that. And it's a strong magnet, as you can see right there. So awesome. Super strong magnet, very simple minimalistic case. This is the clear case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max from MagBak. Very nice case, and of course we have the air bubble protection in the corner. So if I drop it like this, no problem. It's designed for that kind of drop. So this is the MagBak clear case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max right here. Oh yeah.